Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Shopify product isn't showing on your store, even though you added it correctly, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the quickest and simplest fixes to get your product visible again. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Check product status. First, go to Products in your Shopify dashboard. Click the product that isn't appearing. Make sure the status is set to Active. If it's on Draft, it won't show up on your store. Switch it to Active, press Save, refresh your website, and check again. Step 2. Check sales channels. Sometimes the product is active but not published to your sales channels. Scroll down to Publishing, then click Manage Sales Channels. Make sure the toggle for Online Store is on. Press Done. Next, go to Manage Markets and ensure the product is turned on for the market you are selling in. If it's off in any of these places, it simply won't appear. Step 3. Check your collections. If the product is active but still not showing in your catalog, the issue may be with collections. Go to Products, Collections, create a new collection, for example, Homepage, set it to Manual, and add the product you want. Press Save, then click View to confirm your product appears inside the collection. If your homepage or menu links are pointing to the wrong collection, your product won't show. Step 4. Update your menu navigation. Go to Online Store, Navigation, Main Menu. Find the Catalog link. Instead of All Products, change it to your new homepage or custom collection. Save the menu. Now when someone clicks on Catalog, your product should appear. Step 5. Contact Shopify support if needed. If you've checked everything and the product still isn't showing, the issue might be deeper: theme issues, apps blocking products, or cached settings. In that case, contact Shopify support. Just search for Contact Shopify support, log in, and start a live chat. They usually reply within minutes and can check your store from the back end. And that's how you fix a product not showing on Shopify. These are the most common solutions and they work for almost every store. If this video helped you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know below if there's any other Shopify tutorial you'd like to see next.